Hi, I'm Nick with Skog at Kust, and these are Bungee personal watercraft dock lines. Our personal watercraft Bungee dock lines are made from high-quality braided polyurethane with an elastic core. They are 3/4 inch in diameter and come packaged in a 2-pack, which includes one 4-foot class rope, which extends up to 7 feet, and one 6-foot class rope, which extends up to 10 feet. They are available in traditional all-black or high-visibility yellow and green. Our bungee ropes have a tensile strength rating of 2,200 pounds, making them suitable for all types of watercraft, from tubes, floaties, stand-up paddleboards and kayaks, to motorized crafts such as jet skis or pontoon boats. One end has a 10-inch custom-spliced loop, and the other features a rust-proof 3/16 stainless steel clip, making them suitable for both freshwater and saltwater conditions. Each end also features a foam buoy with our logo in reflective print, so they will float and be easily visible if they accidentally fall overboard. The ropes are packaged with reusable Velcro straps for easy storage. For more information, please see our listing.